dancing in the beam, a frantic sight, pushed by the heat, pulled by the cold, a story of kinetic energy, ancient and old. No target in sight, no map to follow, just the next collision, the next hollow. We're moving fast, but we're going nowhere, vibrating in the void, thin as air. Collision to collision, not evasion, not occasion, 1,000 miles of travel with no destination. In the eyes of physics, we're just a blur, a statistical noise, a desperate purr. Is there a vector? Is there a path? Or just the cold, hard logic of the math? You're tired at sundown, you're heavy as stone, but you're still in the box, still in the zone. The displacement is zero, the effort is max. You're running from the shadows and the molecular cracks. Stop. Wait for the fluid to settle. Wait for the temperature to drop. If you don't push, does the universe stop? Just a grain of dust dancing in the beam.